Hello everyone, my name is Chang Nyak. Today I want to talk about the Nuer community. This is a community that has faced many challenges over the year. But today, one of the biggest problems is the absence of unity among ourselves. We see it every day, people argue, people fight, and people do not support each other. And instead of working together for the good of the community, some people are busy pointing fingers. This lack of unity, it make it easier for others to take advantage of us. It make our community weaker. Another serious problem is the lack of accountability among our leaders. Some Nuer leaders have created messes in our community. They make decisions that harm the people, yet very few are held responsible for what they do. Time after time, the same mistake happen and the people suffer. We must remember that leaders are chosen to guide the community. They are meant to protect the people and make things better. But when leaders fail, we cannot just stay quiet. We must speak up. We must ask them questions. We must demand answers. This is what accountability means. Unity and accountability go hand in hand. When we are united, we can hold our leader responsible. When leaders are responsible, they will work harder to serve the people. And when the community is strong, we can face challenges together. We can protect our families. We can build a school, hospital, and businesses. We can create a better life for ourselves and for the next generation. To the young people in our community, listen carefully. Do not wait for others to fix your problem. Do not depend only on leaders who may not care about you. Work hard, please. Support each other. Ask questions. Learn from those who have knowledge and experience. This is the way we can start to change our community. Let us not hate each other. Let us not fight over small things. Let us work together. Let us hold leaders accountable. Let us create a Nuer community that is stronger, proud, and peaceful. The suffering of our people is warning, It tells us that we must do better. It tells us that we cannot afford to stay divided. Peace, unity, and accountability are the only way forward. And if we start today, if each one of us tries, we can make a difference. One person can inspire another. One action can encourage many. Together, we can rebuild our community. Together, we can create hope. Together, we can make sure that the next generation of Nuer people will live in a better, safer, and more united community. Remember, you need to remember this. Unity is our strength, and accountability is our path to a better future. So let us work together for the Nuer people. Let us work together for peace. Let us work together for prosperity. So my people, let's talk about our land. Our land is fertile. It is rich, full of potential. But what have we done with it? Very little. We ignore that we have, even though we can use it ourselves to grow food, create jobs, and improve our life. we forget that we have a land. Agriculture is a key, you know. If we work together, we can plant crop, raise livestock, and produce enough to feed our families and even sell for income. Farming is not just work, it is a way to secure our future, you know. Our land is a gift. If we care for it and use it wisely, it can give food, job, and hope. But using the land well requires planning and cooperation. Farmers need tools, seed, knowledge, and sometimes guidance. This is where good leadership comes in. A good leader supports the people, provide direction, and work for the benefit of everyone. A bad leader, on the other hand, is greedy, think only of himself or herself, and ignore the need of the people. Well, development is another area where we must act. Development means building a school, hospital, road, businesses, and market. Development is not something that comes automatically. It comes from hard work, planning, and unity. If we remain divided, development will be slow. If we stay silent while leaders fail, development will stop. But if we are united, ask questions, and hold leaders accountable, we can achieve greater things. Development is not only about money, it is about using our resources wisely. Our land, our people, our skill, they are our resources. We have the potential to create a school for our children, clinic for our families, and businesses that provide jobs for everyone. But this requires effort and cooperation. Let us talk more about a leader. Every community has a leader. Some are good, some are bad. Well, when you want to be a good leader, or this is what a good leader can do. A good leader cares for the people, not himself. A good leader can support development and education. A good leader listens to the community and also work to create peace and unity. And the characteristic of a bad leader. A bad leader is a greedy and selfish, ignore the people need, cause division and confusion. And also a bad leader will stop progress and development. If you want to know a bad leader will choose to arrest those who goes against him or her, because that person does not want people to know his weakness. It is very important, for the Nuer people to choose good leader and support them. And it is also important to hold leader accountable. If a leader fail, we must speak up. If a leader make mistake, we must ask questions. This is how we protect our community and our future. So, young people who are also part of the new community, please listen carefully. Do not wait for others to fix your problem. So this is what I can tell you. Fix things by yourself. Do better. Because the leader that we are waiting to do the job for us, they will never come and they will never do anything. Because most of our leaders, what they choose is to do things that only benefit them, which is, we can say this is very shameful. A leader that's supposed to help the community, making them thrive. And, those leaders only focus on what they can achieve, which is very bad for them. We need to change. I almost forgot about cattle. I want to talk about something, this is very important for the Nuer community. our cattle. Cattle are not just animals. They are more than that, you know. They are our wealth. They are our culture. They are our future. For generations, the Nuer people have depended on cattle for many things. Cattle give us food like milk and meat. They give us money when we sell them, but selling them too quickly or without thinking, you know, it can harm us in the long run. When we sell the cattle, these can harm us. Though you must not see it today, but in the long run, this can surely happen. Cattle are also a symbol of our identity. They connect us to our ancestors. They connect us to our land and our community. When we care for cattle, we are caring for our traditions and our heritage. But today I see a problem. Many Nuer people are selling their cattle too quickly. Some sell them because they need money, others because they think it is the only way to survive. But selling our cattle too fast or without planning is dangerous. We are losing our wealth, our security, and our future. Cattle are resources, you know, they are our resources. They are like a bank. If we care for them, they grow, they give milk, calves, and more opportunities. If we sell them too early, we lose what could have helped us tomorrow. Think about it. Think about this. If you sell all your cattle today, what will you have in the future? Nothing. But if you keep them, protect them, and breed them, your wealth will grow every year. Cattle also help us, they help our families that can pay for school, medical bills, and other needs, but only if we manage them wisely. Cattle are not just for one person, they are for the whole community. They help families survive hard time. They help young people start their life. They help elders stay respected and cared for. We must also remember that cattle are linked to our land. Healthy land produce good pasture for our cattle. If we care for our land and water, our cattle will be healthy. And healthy cattle mean a healthy community. I want to remind all Nuer people today, stop selling your cattle without thinking. Stop selling them for short-term need. Protect them, care for them, and use them wisely. Our cattle are our resources. They are our wealth, our pride, and our future. A community that protects its cattle is a community that survived. A community that lost its cattle lost its power, its strength, and its independence. So every Nuer man and woman, young and old, should work to protect our cattle, keep them safe, and grow our head. Cattle are not just animals, they are our security, our culture, and our future. If we work together to care for them, to use them wisely, and to pass this knowledge to the next generation, the Nuer people will remain strong for years to come. Remember this, our cattle are not for short-term gain, you know that, right? They are our treasure, they are our future, they are our strength. Protect them, care for them, and let them grow for the benefit of our families and our community. Thank you for listening. Let us protect our cattle. Let us protect our culture. Let us protect our futures. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.